to set up two-step verification for your Instagram account, you'll have to open your Instagram application on your Android or iOS device, or you can also do it via the web. So in this case, we're doing it using the Google Chrome application or browser. So I'll open a new tab there and type in Instagram. So then since I've already logged into my account, I'll be brought to this account feed section. Then to do these settings, I'll click on the profile. Now on Android, there's normally the menu option button on the top right or top left side of your screen. So I'll click on this, then I'll go to settings. Then under settings, I'll scroll down and look for privacy and security. Now with Instagram, you do have three options to set up this two-step verification. The first option being you can set up a number, or you can receive codes to confirm your logins. You can set up this, we have the recovery codes, and you can also set up WhatsApp as an option. So once you get here, you're going to scroll down until you get to this two-factor authentication. You can see that mine has already been activated. So I've been told edit, so I can click on edit two-step verification. If you had not created one, you'll click on create to add. So you see that I have set this up here and I have the phone number. So anytime anyone tries to log into my account, even without my knowledge, I'm sent that code when my phone number is on, so that I can confirm, and they cannot log in unless they have that code that has been sent to me. The other option here is using authenticator app. We talked about this when doing the one on Facebook, and if you not watched that, you can find it in the description. Now you can download the Google Authenticator app and set up this as your two-step verification option. Apart from this, we have the backup codes, which is also same as the recovery codes that we did on the one on Facebook. So you can just say get backup codes. You can copy these and paste them in a Word document or as a text document and save them in your Google Drive or in an external flash disk or in your computer memory. But it is advisable if you store it in an external storage device or in Google, where you cannot lose it. So these codes, you can use them whenever you have lost access to your account, you try to recover your account, or maybe if you don't remember your password and you think like you remember these codes and you can use them. So the third option, which is on WhatsApp, is not available on desktop, but if you are doing it from a mobile phone application, the Instagram application, you'll find the option to activate it on WhatsApp. You just tap on WhatsApp, you can then enter the number, then you'll be sent a code to confirm the two-step verification. Once you've done that, you'll have saved it and your account will be secure. If you've not watched the video on how to set up two-step verification on Facebook and Google, you'll find the links in the description and also the ones that pop up above. If you like this, give it a thumb up, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.